With the base of the battery holder completed, I've gone ahead and saved that as my battery holder. I'm now going to create the first of the battery clips. To do that, I need a work plane in the center of the battery holder. So I select the center point, hover the cursor, and select that work plane. Now I'm going to create a sketch on that work plane and turn off the visibility of the work plane. It's no longer required. Now I want to see inside the part, so I can use something called Slice Graphics, either from the context menu, the F7 key, or down at the bottom of the screen you'll see that as well. I'm going to project the cut edges through the center of the battery holder, and then start the process of creating the new sketch. Keep the sketch approximately the right size and the right shape. And I'm following my sketch that I created earlier on. I could have created a curve there, but since I didn't know where it was going to end up, I'm going to draw the line at the bottom, just a little vertical line. I'm going to go back and create an arc between those 2 points. And that's approximately the profile of the battery. I'm now going to constrain that sketch by adding dimensions. And the first dimension I'm going to add is the vertical dimension. I've measured that out as 1.06. I can continue to add dimensions. Dimension at the top will be 0.18. Then I could add in the angle dimension of 113 degrees. The height of that small sloping line, and that's 0.08. You'll notice by adding those dimensions that the sketch has moved somewhat, so I'm just going to drag that back into its original position. Now I can add the remaining dimensions. From the outside edge to the inside, that's going to be 0.15. The next dimension is going to be the radius of the arc. And that's going to be 0.534. You'll notice from the color scheme and from the information at the bottom of the screen that there's one dimension required to fully constrain the sketch. So I'll add that dimension in. And that's 0.4. Notice now the sketch is fully constrained, and I can go ahead and extrude that. E on the keyboard. In this case I have to select the profile, and I'm going to use the symmetric option. And it'll be 1 inch wide, ½ inch on each side. And there's the first of the battery clips.